In this video, we are going to be analysing AMC, so to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start seeing an upward push? And as of right now, the 12.25 would be that key level if you are looking at a longer term horizon, because if we are able to come to this level, we would expect to pull back, but if we are able to break this, then we could see quite an upward push to around $16.80 to around kind of $17, so that kind of zone of resistance. And if we're able to break that, then we would be looking at $21, $22.50, $26, oh sorry, that was $27.75, $30.50, and then final levels taking us to $38 and $48. Now obviously these levels, even the 12, are quite far off from where we are now, so these are just if you expect this stock to pump, because again it's fundamentally not worth these levels, but people buying this most likely know. So if you're watching this video, again, it's not actually fundamentally worth those levels, but this stock does keep getting pumped. People keep thinking it's going to be short squeezed. So these are the levels to expect if we start to pump again. But if you're trying to trade this stock on a shorter term time frame and you want to see resistances that are more realistic to where we are now, then we would be paying attention to the $10 resistance, obviously a key psychological resistance, and also the statistical mean on the 10-day chart. Right after that, you have the 1050 first deviation on the 20-day chart. And then if we can break that, we're looking at the 1075. So really just there is a lot of resistances within that area. And then if we can break really this 1075, we would expect some sort of a mini breakout to around $11.40. But I say mini breakout, that does provide quite a lot of upside at around 6%, even more if you're trading that with options. Then if we're able to break that, we're looking at $13.50, $12 and $12.75. And again, the ones we've noted on this chart are shorter term targets. So if you're looking for day trades or really very short term swings, then you can pay attention to these levels. But if you are only looking to do a longer term outlook on this stock, then we wanted the longer term time frames. So now onto the support side of things on AMC. If we start to fall, what are key supports? So we can see we came into this key support at the first deviation on the 6-month chart. We come into this is where we bounce, and we currently look like we're most likely going to fade back down to it. So if we break that, then really we would expect to see quite a sharp sell-off, and this would most likely take us to around $3.50 in time. We don't expect this move to be super quick, but in time do expect to move down to that, because again it is fundamentally overvalued, so seeing it fall down wouldn't be a surprise unless it starts getting pumped on something like Reddit. Now just to note actually as well, the closer levels, just in case you want support levels closer to the where we are now, we would be looking at $7.35, $4.50, quite far off, $8, $8.70, and kind of we are pushing into a support. But again, these levels I would only really be paying attention to the intraday ones if you are looking to day trade, or again very short term swing. If you're looking to be out of this trade by Wednesday, then we could be paying attention to these levels on the shorter term time frame. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.